Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to come on with some exciting news from Liene. And Liene creates the Pixcut S1, which I've had for a while, and I've sung the praises many times before on my channel. They are having an Amazon Prime Day sale, and if you use the link down below and the code 15Pixcut6, you'll save 15%, and you can use that through July 31st actually. So this is such a great machine. I will link some other videos I've made for Liene down below. But I wanted to come on and give you some updated projects and give you some new information as well. So the only issue I've had before with this machine is that the sticker paper it prints on, sometimes the stickers don't stick that well, but they upgraded the paper and I've been testing it out and it works great. So you can use this machine for so many different things. It's designed to make your own stickers, print them, and also you can print your own photos as well. And the app is so great. They're constantly updating it. They add new sticker sets you can print out, new labels. Everything is customizable, and you can even use some AI features. This is the app on my iPhone, and you can see all the different featured sections. I'm going to go ahead and click on Summer Vibes. These are all the sticker packs that come up. Really, really cute, lots of different ones. I'm going to print out a couple of different sticker packs. This one I think is so cute, Fresh Vibe. And it's a sticker pack of all different soda cans. There's similar ones down at the bottom. So you don't have to do anything. You just click on add it to your canvas and then make it. And then it prints out and it cuts it out too. So I did print out that one, and it is so adorable. I mean, you can print these out, and it's got the header on top, so you can gift these really easily. But these are the cutest little soda cans. So I thought I would add them to a project. And you can buy replacement or, you know, additional papers and ink cartridges too on their site. So very handy. All right, so I created this little journal. And I think it came out really cute, but it could use a little bit more embellishment. So let me just move you over, Pixcut. So I thought maybe I could take these stickers and add them to the cover. And this is going to be just like a food tracking kind of journal. Isn't that cute? So I thought these would go really well. So they peel up very easily, as you can see. And these stickers are waterproof. They're scratch proof. So they're great for lots of different applications, but definitely for paper crafting. So you can go ahead and just add them, and you can customize these in the program too. You know, just print out like one or you know, print out everything the same one, or delete a few of them. I just think these are so cute. So just a few there, and then I have blank pages on the inside. I was thinking of like putting a little juice can down in the corner of each one. And it's so fun to use, and they're really high quality stickers. Cute, right? So that's one idea for a project. I printed out some labels that I created in the app, which was so easy. I just imported this little graphic of me that I had made before. I added some text, and it's easy to curve. I added a circle, and you can change the border. You can change the color of everything. You could even put like a different background if you wanted to. So I printed these out for like the back of cards. Like I just made this card I showed you guys in a previous video, and I added a sticker on the back. And I added this days ago. It is not coming off at all. I'm so glad they fixed that paper. So there's an idea. Let me show you Father's Day card that I made for my husband, which is right here. And I printed out this photo of me and him and our kids. I created these sentiments in the app as well. Very, very easy to do. Printed those out. On the inside, there's a little AI version of me and him. We did not actually do that. And then here's a picture of my husband with our two kids when they were little. My son, he used to love that hat. He wore it all the time. So yeah, those are stickers. Isn't that cute? Such a cute way to customize a card. And yes, that's the way he spells his name, with 2 D's on the end. And then another sticker pack I printed out just because I thought it was so cute and kind of like coquette. And they really do keep up with the trends on their sticker packs. So this has like little ducks and seahorses and geese and things like that. Just think this is so cute, the packaging, or the, you know, the like I guess it's packaging on the top. So I printed out. I die cut a couple of little tags with the die I had in my stash, just like in coordinating papers. Actually, I used a couple different dies. There's that one too. So this is just like an easy way to make tags. So you could just take out, what's a cute one, that little goose, and it says Sunny on it. So I'm just gonna like put that on a little tag and make my own. Just like that. Isn't that adorable? And of course you can you could take like an image from here, put it onto your canvas on the app, make it bigger and print it out bigger if you wanted to do that. So there's so many possibilities. Let's take a little sailboat. Yeah, really good quality stickers. So how cute is that? Now you've got to make sure it's where you want it to be because it sticks so well. You don't want to have to peel it off. So yeah, so you can make tags, you could do, cards, you can embellish your journals like I did, make labels for yourself, which I think is just wonderful. So yeah, that's my little video for today. Remember, they're having a 15% off sale with the link and the coupon code in the description box. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day, and let me know what you think about this machine if you have it or if you're planning to get it. I would love to know. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.